Hi, I'm Lori Schneider with Figs Catering in Austin, Texas. On behalf of Expert Village, today we're going to show you how to make a baked spaghetti squash casserole with sun-dried tomatoes. So our next ingredient is going to be our sun-dried tomato. And today we are adding sun-dried tomatoes that have been soaking in olive oil. So if you don't have access to sun-dried tomatoes in olive oil, you can use a sun-dried tomato that's just been dried regularly. And sometimes you can find those in your produce section. So I'm going to take some of those sun-dried tomatoes and I'm going to line them up on my cutting board. And I've got about 5 here. And I'm just going to run my knife down the length of the sun-dried tomato. So we're going to do long, thin strips, or julienne, of sun-dried tomato. And I love sun-dried tomatoes because they've got a really nice, sweet flavor. And especially when they've been soaking in olive oil, it's just really excellent. Okay, toss those in there. I'm going to go ahead and mix that all together.